What do you do if your wire point is in the wrong place? So a lot of people come to us and they have a wire point over their island that isn't centered, or over the dining that isn't centered, or maybe over your island you want 3 pendants but you've only got wires for 1. There is actually a few things that you could do here. So one option is to have that central point and have kind of a drawbridge and then a little pin at your second location, and so it hangs centered exactly above where you want it. This can be done with multiple pendants or just 1 pendant. So that would look something like this, or maybe this one, or possibly even this. Another option is to have a bar pendant, so something that has a linear bar across the top and those pendants come down from it. That means that you can actually move that bar back and forth across where your wire point is, so it's more centered where you need it. So that would look something like this one, or possibly this, or even this one. And then the final option, not for everybody, but there's also the option of using track. So track will basically hang all along your ceiling, and then you can fit your pendants or spotlights or whatever you want into it. So that would look something like this one.